Hello, tutor classmates. I hope that you are safe and doing well. Here are five examples of sentences that I wanted to just teach you all. First one is the button on my shirt just fell off. So the correct way to pronounce that sentence is the bottom as it looks like here, and that's basically it. Next sentence that I wanted to teach you is this one. I'm a tough guy. So you can see that Toughh is pronounced tough. Alright? I'm a tough guy. Third sentence that I wanted to teach you is the following. My birthday is on February. So you can see that February is pronounced as OU instead of you pronounce the R. So February. Fourth sentence that I wanted to teach you is the following. The schedule for the day is busy. So the schedule is pronounced as it sounds, schedule, and for the day is busy. Fifth one and last one that I want to teach you is I'm the author of the article. So you can see that the author is pronounced as AU, and instead of a T you will pronounce it as a D, author. And article is writing with a T but is pronounced as a D, article. And that's five sentences that I wanted to just teach you guys. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and continue being safe. Be strong. All right, Colombia really needs us at this moment.